Dear ZeeLancers, welcome to the world's leading, smarter, and more advanced platform, ZeeLance.net. ZeeLance brings you a complete all-in-one business ecosystem to create fully featured, mobile-responsive professional websites and stunning e-commerce stores with integrated multi-currency global payment processing, including credit, debit cards, and cash-on-delivery options. It empowers you with flexible shipping rules, automated tax compliance, abandoned cart recovery, dropshipping automation, smart inventory management, and a pre-integrated point-of-sale system. From an advanced ERP system to real-time analytics, everything is built to accelerate your business. ZeeLance also includes built-in SEO to help your business rank at the top of search results. ZeeLance features an advanced editor for pixel-perfect customization. From white-label hosting to custom domains and free SSL certificates, everything is available in just one click. It's all fully pre-configured and ready to use without external plugins, third-party gateways, or costly add-ons. With zero technical skills or coding required, you can launch your business live instantly. With ZeeLance, just purchase a single slot and unlock every feature you need for your business. With automated backups, 99.99% uptime, multiple global data centers, and with multi-language 24/7 support, ZeeLance leads the way in security and performance. ZeeLance is a smarter, faster, and more powerful alternative to Shopify, WordPress, and WooCommerce, delivering solutions at 90% lower cost than traditional providers. Through the ZeeLance affiliate program, anyone can expand their income with effortless passive earnings. ZeeLance is the only true all-in-one solution to transform your business into a global brand. Anytime, anywhere, ZeeLance is your trusted partner to uplift your business without hassle. Join ZeeLance.net and level up the game.